Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make all your TikTok videos private at once using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open your TikTok profile page where all your videos are. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-line menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a little and tap on Privacy. On the Privacy, tap on Videos or Manage Videos. On some iPhones, this option is called Manage Post. Here you will see all your uploaded videos listed together. Tap on Select or Edit at the top. Now choose Select All to select all your videos at once. If you don't see Select All, you can tap and drag to select multiple videos quickly. Once all videos are selected, tap on Edit Privacy at the bottom. Now choose Only Me. This makes your videos private so only you can see them. TikTok will ask you to confirm, tap confirm, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.